heinous crimes that are happening of late. Are you worried? Because many citizens are raising questions as whether we have changed as a society, we have changed as a state. You have served this state in different capacities over different decades. Do you think we are changing? Do you think the number of heinous crimes is going up? And what are the reasons behind it?
There has been no substantial increase in the heinous crime because recently 6 murders happened. So people got an impression as if there has been an increase in the heinous crime. So overall the heinous crime is down by 36% overall if we compare to the last year.
But what is your experience? Whether more Goans are getting involved in serious crimes? It might be narcotics trade, it might be thefts and robberies. Do you think the number of Goans getting involved in such kind of crimes is increasing, or the balance is still tilted towards the migrants?
So far as drug trade is concerned, because without the support of local help, drug trade cannot be carried out. So therefore you have to have certain kind of local support,
Backbone network.
to execute the drug trade. Sometimes you have to find customers because this is a very secret kind of trade. Why? Because the punishment is very stringent, NDPS Act is very stringent. So therefore you have to have some kind of local logistical support. So therefore in a drug trade, that is why we say that our data supports that locals are also involved, outsiders are also involved, and foreigners are also
Foreigners are also
Yes.
involved. So let's come to the most infamous case of the Banastari accident. The conduct of the police come into question during the investigation. You yourself have issued some very stringent, strict orders of internal departmental probe. Are you happy with the way the investigation went in the initial stage, and do you think it is on the right track now?
Law is nothing but a general conduct which we have to apply to various kinds of situations. So there is a kind of perception in the
But are
mind.
you disappointed with the way initial probe was carried out?
No, initial probe was going on in the right track.
A lot of political furor about this case, and the allegation on the department is it has moved into a political direction due to political pressure. How do you respond to that?
No, it is absolutely false, and there is not even an iota of truth in this. I, for one, I never received any call. If at all I received, it was only to ensure that fair and professional investigation is carried out.